Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about powers and exponents. You are going to learn it here the easy way. But before we proceed to our main lesson, let me ask you one question. Is it bad for us to lie down and sleep after eating? Yes, it is bad for all of us to lie down and sleep after eating. Let us discuss why it is bad for all of us to lie down and sleep after eating later. Let us move first to the main objective of our lesson. We are going to use powers and exponents in expressions. Numbers expressed in exponents are called powers. You can see that we have two numbers here. We have number 4 and number 3. 4 is the base and 3 is the exponent. You can say it is 4 to the third power or 4 cubed. Technically speaking, both powers and exponents define the same meaning. You can use exponent and power interchangeably. You can also state here as 4 raised to the power of 3 or 4 raised to the exponent of 3. It is the same. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Write 2 times 2 times 2 using an exponent. Let us find what is the base. The base here is 2. Straight off, you can identify that number 2 is used as a factor of how many times? 3 times, since you can see that number 2 was multiplied 3 times. Therefore, you can identify that the exponent is 3 because 2 is multiplied 3 times. Subsequently, the answer is 2 to the power of 3 or 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 to the third power, or 2 cubed. It is all the same. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. Write 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 as an exponent. You can identify right away what is the base. Accordingly, the base is 10. You can directly identify how many times you use 10 as a factor. You can quickly spot that 10 is used as a factor 4 times. Therefore, you can identify that the exponent is 4 because you use 10 as a factor 4 times. Therefore, we can come up to 10 as the power of 4 or 10 to the exponent of 4. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Write each power as a product of the same factor. Find the value. The number is 5 squared. Straight away, you can multiply the base 2 times. Therefore, the answer is 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. Let's try another number so that you can understand it well. 9 to the power of 4. The base is 9 and the exponent is 4. Consequently, you are going to multiply 9 4 times. Therefore, it is 9 times 9 times 9 times 9, which will give us 6,561. Let's try to work on another example so that you can fully understand the lesson. Write the prime factorization of 36 using exponents. We are going to write the number to be factored first. Afterwards, we are going to look for any two numbers that is a factor of 36. And in this case, I chose 6 times 6. Next, we are going to look for any two numbers that is a factor of 6. And the factor of 6 here is 2 and 3. Right off, we arrive to the prime numbers. Therefore, the prime factorization is 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. Writing it as an exponent, it will give us 3 squared times 2 squared. Let us work on another example so that you can easily follow. Write the prime factorization of 99 using exponents. Let us write the number to be factored first. Afterwards, let us look for the factors of 99. So in this case, it is 11 and 9. 11 is a prime number already since the factors are 1 and itself, while the factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Now we arrive to the prime numbers. Accordingly, the prime factorization is 11 times 3 times 3. Straight off, we can write 11 times 3 squared. To wrap it up, you can write the number straight away using an exponent by counting how many times the base was used as a factor. You can see that the base was multiplied here 3 times. So, the base raised to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3. Accordingly, to write each power as a product of the same factor, it is the other way around. Just remember that the exponent tells how many times you are going to multiply the factor. In this case, the exponent is 4 and the base is 9. So, you are going to multiply the base, which is 9, 4 times. With the condition of writing the prime factorization of a number using exponents, you are going to find the prime factorization 3, and then when you are already on the prime numbers, you need to write the prime factorization as an exponent. Let us now continue our discussion why it is bad for us to lie down and sleep after eating. It is bad to lie down and sleep after eating because our body soaks up food properly only when we are in an upright position. Lying down after eating will result in indigestion. We need to wait at least 2 hours after a meal before we go to bed. If you've established a routine of lying down soon after you eat your food, you may eventually develop gastroesophageal reflux disease. This is a disease in which your lower esophagus cannot close off correctly after you've eaten something. So guys, do not lie down and sleep after your meal. Remember, I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Let us give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back, revise it again, watch it closely, carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you to score high in math. Then, be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!